Now to the latest update on coronavirus here in Wisconsin. Numbers released by the state today show more than 230 new cases in the state, bringing the total now to more than 6,500. 8 more people were reported as having died from coronavirus. More than 300 people in all have now died from coronavirus across Wisconsin. As far as help for families can get money in place of the free or reduced meals their children would have had at school. Of course, schools remain closed for the rest of the school year. NBC 26's Abigail Hankey shows us who qualifies.
The state says during the school year, more than 400,000 kids received free and reduced lunch. Today, they announced more than $140 million will now be available to help those families.
It's part of the federal family's first Coronavirus Response Act, with the money coming from the USDA. Money will be available for students who get free and reduced meals at school. The idea is to give money to families in place of the free or reduced meals that students would have had at school. Schools remain closed for the rest of the school year. As far as what this means for families, between March and April, the amount is more than $170 per student. For the months of May and June, it's about $148 per student. The cards can be used like a debit card to buy food at a grocery store.
We know many districts and community organizations are working tirelessly to help get critical nutrition to these children, and we are happy to announce today that more help is available to these families.
Families that are already part of state programs will have the money put onto their Quest or PEBT cards. For families that are not a part of state programming, they'll have to apply separately.
The funding will be available through the first part of June. In the newsroom, Abigail Hankey, NBC 26.